Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Messenger not sending pictures in iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Settings application on your mobile device. Start scrolling down the list of apps and settings. Simply look for the Messenger app and access it. Inside the Messenger app settings, you will find the Photos Permission feature at the top. This controls whether Messenger has access to the photos on your iPhone. If you can't find the Photos Permission setting, then try sending an image through Messenger, and it will likely prompt you to allow access. Simply make sure that the Photos Permission is allowed for Messenger. If the problem isn't solved after checking the Photos Permission, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Messenger. Now make sure that the Messenger app is updated to the latest version available. App updates can sometimes fix bugs or issues with the app. After checking for app updates, you can try another method. For that, open the Settings application again and access the General section. Inside General, tap on iPhone Storage and then select the Messenger app from the list. Now, tap on the Offload App button. This will temporarily remove the app while keeping your Messenger data. Then, go ahead and reinstall the Messenger app. Once you've reinstalled Messenger, open Settings again, go back to the General section and scroll down. Here, tap on Reset iPhone and then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset your iPhone's network settings, which can help fix issues with apps like Messenger not functioning properly. So that's basically how you can fix Messenger not sending pictures in iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.